Want to create cinematic opening videos that follow the music beat, look smooth and professional like this? Let's jump into the tutorial. First, import your photos or videos and music into the timeline. Make sure to set the aspect ratio and remove original audio if needed. Then adjust the clip duration based on your preference. After that, add beat markers to your music to sync the clips more easily. On the second clip, click freeze at the beginning. Move the clip above the first clip. Align with the beat marker. Then remove the background. Next, apply film strip mask. Adjust the mask to cover the top quarter of the screen. Copy the clip and place it on the next beat marker. Adjust the next mask to cover the lower section of the previous clip. Repeat the same steps 2 more times. Make sure the mask transitions look clean for a professional result. Once everything looks good, add your preferred animation. In this tutorial, I'm using Unfold Animation to make the transition smoother. Press play to preview the result. Great, you've successfully created a cinematic beat sync opening video. In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques. Make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.